That funny?
Yeah.
No, Kiefer, please stop talking. Don't say another word, Kiefer.
I thought you were doing it.
Oh yeah, I forgot that I had it.
Can't see where you're going.
Just watch it very carefully. Make sure you keep watching. See what I mean? That's so aggravating when it does that. See how hard it is? See? If you just go outside, even just a little tiny bit, it gets you. Watch. Okay, now I gotta go to level 3. Okay, level 3 is the hardest, because look up top. See how hard it's gonna be once I get up there? This is the hardest one. See how hard it is?
Oh my God!
Was that funny? Kiefer, did you think it was... I'm glad you laughed.